Dun, 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 dun. All right, all right. One watch started. All right, all right. Okay, so if you can hear me, I need you to drop a message in the comment section. If anybody can hear me, drop a message in the comment section. Let's know. Yes, we are starting. If you can hear me, I need the message in the comment section. I'm still, like I say, just trying to like get used to this. I'm trying to. Okay, thank you so much, Princess. Thank you. Sorry, Prince. Welcome. Thanks for joining. Just give me a minute. Let me just notify everybody that yes, I am live, so that they can join the live. So, which pair do you trade? All right, all right. So I don't care if I take just a student. Normally, this is like the time I used to do my analysis. This is like the time I do my analysis. So drop a message if you can. If you are just joining. Okay, thank you so much. All right. So four people. We have four people on the live stream now. So guys, help me drop the likes and all that. I don't know. I don't know what they call it here. But I just felt like okay, maybe I should move to YouTube. Yeah. So basically, I'm just here to do a top-down analysis, like a top-down, just a market review, what we should be expecting this coming week in the market. So yes, the first thing I want to start with, I think I spoke about this whole GBP of a thing when I was live the last time, but GBP, Euro, USD, I'm doing the analysis of everything this night. So let's start from GBP USD. So one thing I used to do and one thing I like to do majorly is to clear my chart, like to clear everything. Guys, if you have anybody trading, you can share out the link. They can also come and learn. Okay. So I clear everything I have on my page, both the price action. Sanu, welcome. Welcome. I can see your comments. All right. So both the chart, whatever, whatever. So let me just delete everything. So let's go into monthly to show you how far. Normally I scalp to show you how far I am willing to go. Monthly, in the monthly time frame, I think we have 2 days till the end of this month. What do I think they are going to do? left to me, left to me. Let me show you this. We have liquidity actually built up here. So there's liquidity here at this high. Okay, there's liquidity at this high. So they took out the liquidity and they tested an order and a free fair value gap. So this is monthly fair value gap. Always, anytime you are trading, wow, we have 6 people. That's impressive. Thank you all for joining. Please, if you are just joining, please drop a comment. Drop a comment. Say that you are active. Say that you are online. Let me know how many people we have. Just drop a comment. I'm active. And don't forget to follow my account too, so that you are not going to miss anytime I come live. Okay, don't forget to follow me so that you will not miss anytime I come live. We have 6 people on this live stream. I don't know if Victor. I don't know if Victor is here. Victor, please, I need you to drop a message if you are here. I don't know if I've dropped the recording, but whichever way. But this is a monthly fair value gap. All right, so I know. Thanks for the message. This is a monthly fair value gap, and yes, we can then continue that. After they tested the monthly fair value gap here, there is kind of like a rejection to the downside, and it's going to end the monthly time frame is going to end in 2 days. So what do I think they are going to do? This is an heavy order block here. What you can see here. So tomorrow and next tomorrow, if truly this order block is going to hold, they should push it up aggressively. Left to me, though we have tons and tons of monthly fair value gap, but left to me, I don't want them to actually come back here. I want them to go bullish on this. So let's check weekly. In the weekly time frame, we can still go higher. If at all, we can still go higher. We can go this high. Or this on weekly is untested. So just make sure you leave everything on your chart. Who cares? This is untested. So this is a weekly. 5 people. If you guys can drop a message if you are understanding something here, just drop a message. So this is a weekly. This is a weekly fair value gap. Okay. So basically, they've tested this place. I don't know where they are going to next, but this weekly that I'm looking at, well, we never can tell. I can't really say yet, but one thing I do on Sunday is just to mark out my chart because even if this market is not really, it's not so clear. It's not so clear. Stephen Obadon, welcome. Welcome. So, well, thank you for joining the live. So, it's not so clear what I really want to see here. But if I thought they want to go bullish, they should keep pushing the price up. But one mistake that they are doing here is this trend line liquidity they are forming here. This whole trend line liquidity that they are forming. So maybe the price has gotten somewhere and is trying to break lower. You never can tell. So let's go into the daily time frame now. So this market is now getting very interesting now. This is the last low we had, and this is the last high we had. Look at this. This is to me, I will call this a fake breakout. What can I would just say weak. Some people can say a stop hunt. You can name it anything you want, but me, I would just say a a weak takeout. So you will everything you are going to understand it. You don't The name is just to but the major thing you have to understand is the concept. Why did I call it a weak takeout? They took this place out with the weak, no doubt about it. And yes, after taking it out with the weak, I don't know what where next they want to go or what next they want to do. But you should be expecting them to retrace into this fair value gap, especially this one. Especially this one. This is a daily fair value gap. So they've not broken real structure. This was the last structure they gave us from this high to this low. And see. So if I thought they are going to sell here, if I thought that I'm going to show you guys the criteria of why they will sell, if they will sell. Please, if you are just joining, you just drop a comment. If you are just joining us, please drop a comment. So this is previous day high. Yes, that should be on the top right. So if truly they want to sell and correct this weak takeout, I want them to tap into this daily fair value and start rejecting instantly. They should start rejecting instantly, or else there is no trade for us. So let me show you guys something. This is a quick scalp anybody can take. Let me show you. This is a quick scalp, daily fair value gap. So if they test this place first, expect them to take price to this place. Preferably, if they take price to this place first, expect them to take price to this place. So this is like internal range liquidity. I mean, internal. It's not even internal and external. So this is because you are not buying. That's why I will not call it internal and external. But they must do something to the liquidity that they have here. So let's check Chrome together. That's Forex Factory. There's a reason why I'm going to Forex Factory. I want to see when there will be news, how they are going to push it. Okay, let me check. Let me check. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be there's not much news tomorrow. Let's see Tuesday. AUD, I don't trade AUD. So on Tuesday, if you're a trader and you trade card, be careful. There's no volatility. We may not see volatility in the market. So Tuesday, we should be having this job opening 10 a.m. on Tuesday. So I'm expecting volatility on Tuesday, volatility on Wednesday, and Thursday give us anything. Yes, volatility on Thursday. Then Friday, non-farm payroll. I think that's the first Friday of the month. So that's going to be, I'm going to go live on that one now. I want to take the trade together on Friday. So that's it. So basically, I don't need to go lower again. All what I just want to see is for them to do their thing. If they take this place out, take it with the week and they start rejecting to this place. Once they get here, I'm going to take partial. I'm just going to like, okay, let nature do its thing. So they are still like chopping around, chopping around. Maybe they want to do what they want to do, God knows. But preferably, let me show you if there's a place where price will react. I'm going to show you now. A market like this. Okay, so if you are trading, watch out for this. Watch out for market reaction here. I'm not saying you should go and trade this, oh. Just watch out for market reaction here. Okay, just watch out for market. Watch the way price is going to react here. This is a clean setup I'm giving anyone. So normally, left to me, I'm looking for shorts, but it does not mean I can't still buy. But if the market should get here, let me show you something. If the market should do something like this, get here, and it's respect it give you like more like a break of structure and all that. That's your buy. You're buying this market. And once you buy it, just know that it's going somewhere here. It's going to this high. But if otherwise should happen, okay, let me put it back. If otherwise should happen, and they do, let me remove it, sorry. If otherwise should happen, and they do something like this, they broke it with the structure, and you see a fair value gap inside this 1 hour fair value gap, take your trade and take your shots. ASAP. That's a clean setup I'm giving to you. So most of the Friday they used to give us this type of expansion move, leaving a fair value gap behind and all that. So guys, if you are with me, please drop a comment in the comment section. Just drop a comment. Just drop a comment. Let me see. Just type active. Mark your attendance. Let me see the people I have. If you've done it before, no problem. Just let it go. So yes, this is basically what I'm expecting to see in Euro USD. Preferably, I'm going for a short. They should enter this daily fair value gap, do whatever they want to do, sell us low. They can sell us here or lower. Okay, so there's no missing trade here. Let me remove session indicator whatever. All right, all right. That's good. So I'm done with my analysis on. But the thing is that let me overall what you should be targeting. Let me tell you what you should be targeting overall. Okay, this is we monthly. Monthly is a very strong thing that you shouldn't joke with. I don't know what I'm expecting. I don't know. Sincerely, I'm not going to lie. I don't know where they want to expand the price to. But you can trade in the micros. You can trade in the micros. Because if I should say they should want to go high, look at all this. They are trying to form like a trend line liquidity. I don't know if it's going to hold. And at the same time, there is another block here. We still have 2 days, Monday, Tuesday. They can intentionally push the price higher. So you wait for action before you react. Okay, so guys, please let me tap the like button. Okay, nice, nice. I can see you guys. Let me tap the like button. I don't know what it does. Maybe it brings more people. I don't know. Who knows? All right. So that's my pure analysis on Euro USD. So let's do GBP USD. So there should if you are active, you can take a trade on Monday, tomorrow, London session with the analysis I just dropped. Just wait for them to drop into this 1 hour if they will, and take your trade to this daily fair value gap. So let's go into GBP. Like I used to do, I'm removing the drawings, all the drawings. I don't care, I need fresh starts, like fresh thinking. So let's go into monthly. Let me see what they are trying to do here. Okay, in the monthly time frame, we don't really have anything much for this one. This they are just trying to create one sort of an indecisive candle for an it's ending 2 days also. So let's see what we have in the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, this is a double bottom. The more it tests the zone, the weaker it becomes. I'm just liquidity. This should be bottom center. And yes, they are really breaking this price lower. Weekly is just trying trying his best to go very low. And I can see and again, I think GBP USD is clearer. No, GBP USD is not clear. They took it out with the week. So on the daily candle, the only fair value gap I can see is this one. It's this one. Until they say that yes, they are done closing this day. But for price to come this high, no, no, no. For price to come this high, it's not it. That's going to forward. They've been bullish, 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 all day bullish. So maybe they want to use this as liquidity. So one thing I want you to do, your buy should be here. If you are looking for a buy, your buy should be here. From here to daily, from 3 hours to daily. That's what you should target. But let them use this one as liquidity. Let them tap into the 3 hour fair value. All right, sorry about that. Let them tap into the 3 hour fair value gap. Once they tap inside, you want to see this fast price movement. Like let them consolidate it and enter, and it's fine. And your take profit is going to be at this daily fair value. This is a simple market. You want to take out this high if they really want to buy. Okay, and they are trying to see all these eyes are not the cleanest. Okay, so that's what you should be looking for. I think let me is the other time frame saying otherwise. The other time frame took this low weak. So I'm expecting the rejection to this place, deep retracement. So this is all what I can see on GBP. This is all from here to this place here. That's the price I'm waiting for. So let's do good. Let's do good. Gold will be interesting this week, I believe. So I've removed all drawings. See, the thing is that one thing that's going to help you as a trader is to be removing all the drawings. Like I'm telling you, be removing all your drawings. And I mean, at every new week. So don't carry the mentality of last week to your new week. So that's just what I will have to say. Let's start from monthly. This is good. Hey, see good. Almost see signal. See good. Very bullish. Yes, I'm on gold now this year. Yeah. Very bullish. Very bullish. Needs price action. Monday, Tuesday, they won't want to do much. On the monthly time frame, they want to create one sort of a rejection. So you shouldn't expecting much on Monday, Tuesday. But Wednesday, Thursday, and gold will be sweet for you to trade. Let's see. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Nothing much. No retracement. So they came back. They've tested this daily fair value gap that we can see here. It's still a buy. Gold is still a buy. They might just want to do some sort of consolidation and all that. Gold is still a buy. So watch out for price reaction here. This is where your hopes should be. This is 4 hour. So you look at what gold is going to do here. That's what you use to determine where the market is going to next. This 4 hour. It's a buy. Okay. So don't panic. These eyes are not of the cleanest. They are not of the clean at all on this whole trend, whatever. So that's the only thing I can see here. What else? Good. That's the only thing I can see. So let me check USD card. If you have any pair you want me to analyze, just drop it in the comment section. Like I used to do, delete all charts. Delete all charts. If you have any pair, drop it in the comment section. I will check. In the monthly time, this is weekly. Let me check monthly first. Monthly time frame in 2 days. This one is even giving a clear buy. This is where they want to go to. USD card is giving a clear market. USD card is the cleanest. It's giving a clear buy. So we can say this is a daily fair value gap. No, monthly fair value gap, sorry. So this is where they are going to. I'm not interested in any other. The way I even saw the monthly, I'm not interested in any other thing than for a buy. So then I can now mark out this place too. It has been violated seriously. So we have weekly fair value gap here. Yeah. Yes. So this place that you are looking, let me just check daily. So this is your trade. This is where where you are looking for to trade. I don't know why they are creating all these lows here, this type of liquidity, but we passed it. Markets can come back and take it later. But for now, you want to preferably see the price trace low to this place and this high. Just let them trade low to this place, then you buy. You buy to this monthly. So you just have to work on your entry model. That's all. Then let's see what I can. If you have any pair, drop it in the comment section because these are the major pairs I trade and I've done the review and I think I'm done. But if you have any pair, you can just drop it. Let me know. And if you're on the mentorship group, you can drop your message on the mentorship group. I'm coming back to come attend to you guys. Okay. So in the absence of no question and all that, then we call this my first live stream on YouTube and It's very hard for me to see the comments. I'm trying to see the comments. So this is going to be the end of the class. Yeah, hope it helped you guys